Top 9 deadliest sea creatures on the planet. Number 1, have you ever heard of the flower urchin? Sounds cute, right? Nah, fam, don't let the name fool you. This little sea creature is straight up lethal. Like, we're talking world's most dangerous sea urchin type of lethal. This spiky ocean menace packs some next level venom that can seriously mess you up. We're talking muscle spasms, wild convulsions, and yeah, in some unlucky cases, it's even been deadly. No cap. What makes it extra scary? It's got these wild flower-looking things on its body and called pedicellariae, and those bad boys don't quit. Once they touch your skin, they keep pumping poison in like they're on a mission. People who've had a run-in with this venomous nightmare have reported all kinds of terrifying symptoms, from full-on paralysis to breathing problems, and even feeling super dizzy and lost. Like, imagine just swimming around and suddenly your whole body goes, nope. Yikes. So yeah, next time you're out in the ocean and spot a flower urchin, best believe it's not there to vibe. It's out there playing hardcore defense. Keep your distance, fam. Number 2, great barracuda. And trust me, this fish ain't just fast, it's built like a torpedo with fangs. This big-time ocean predator is known for its lightning speed and a mouth full of razor-sharp teeth. Now here's the wild part. It's been known to go after humans too, especially if you're rocking shiny stuff like jewelry. Why? Because to the barracuda, that sparkle looks like a snack. Literally. These surprise attacks? Yeah, they're no joke. We're talking deep cuts, possible nerve damage, and even serious hits to your blood vessels. Like, one moment you're chilling, and the next, boom, barracuda bite. And get this, sometimes they even launch themselves out of the water. Yep, straight up jumping into boats and injuring people on board. It's like they're not just in the sea, they're everywhere. Number 3, the cone snail. Yeah, that little guy with the fancy shell? Don't be fooled. It might look cute, but it's one of the deadliest creatures in the ocean. No lie. This tiny sea assassin comes equipped with a built-in venom harpoon. Like, it literally shoots venom into its target. And here's the scary part. Even a teeny amount of that venom is enough to end a human life. The way it works is straight up terrifying. The venom attacks your nervous system, causing insane pain, paralysis, and in some cases death. And all that can happen in just a short amount of time. One of the cone snail species even earned the nickname cigarette snail. Why? Because they say after getting stung, you've got just enough time to smoke one cigarette before it's game over. That's about 5 minutes, tops. Number 4, the leopard seal. Trust me, this one's not your average sea cutie. Leopard seals roam the chilly waters of the Southern Ocean, and they're absolute beasts when it comes to hunting. Their menu? Seals, penguins, fish. Pretty much anything they can catch with those powerful jaws. Now, they don't run into humans too often, but when they do, things can get real scary. Back in 2003, a British scientist was snorkeling when a leopard seal dragged her underwater. Tragically, she drowned. A rare but chilling reminder of just how dangerous these creatures can be. Leopard seals are strong, fast, and hella territorial. So, while they might not actively hunt humans, they're definitely not to be messed with. Number 5, the stonefish. Straight up one of the most venomous fish in the entire ocean. And trust me, it's not the kind of sea creature you want to mess with. This underwater nightmare has sharp, needle-like spines running along its back. Step on it, boom, those spines inject venom right into your foot. And yeah, it hurts bad. We're talking pain so brutal that some people have literally begged doctors to amputate their leg just to make it stop. No joke. What makes it worse? The stonefish is basically the king of camouflage. It blends into the ocean floor like it's playing hide and seek in expert mode. Spotting one before it stings you? Nearly impossible. And if you get stung somewhere more serious, like the torso, things can go downhill fast. We're talking full body paralysis, heart failure, and yeah, in some cases death. It's that deadly. If anyone gets hit by one of these ocean demons, they need medical help ASAP. Anti-venom is the only way out, and time is everything. Number 6, the blue-ringed octopus. Tiny, flashy, and straight up deadly. Don't let its size fool you, because this little sea creature is one of the most dangerous out there. When it feels threatened, bright blue rings light up all over its body like neon warning signs. And trust, those rings aren't just for show. They're a signal that you're messing with serious venom, way more powerful than cyanide. Even the smallest bite from this octopus can be fatal. We're talking teeny tiny venom dose, big time consequences. It paralyzes the body, and in no time the victim can lose the ability to breathe. Yeah, it's that intense. Here's the scary part. There's no anti-venom for this sting. Zero. So if someone gets bit, they need emergency medical care immediately. The only way to survive is to keep them alive on life support until their body can start breathing again on its own. Number 7, the box jellyfish. And yeah, this ocean floaty is no joke. With its weird cube-shaped body, it might look kinda sci-fi, but it's actually one of the deadliest marine animals out there. Its sting, straight up brutal. We're talking intense pain that hits hard and fast, and in some cases it can trigger heart failure within just a few minutes. Like, blink and it's an emergency kind of fast. Total nightmare. The venom packed into this translucent terror is wild. Powerful enough to potentially kill up to 60 people. 60. That's not a typo. And And get this, the danger doesn't stop when it's out of the water. Those tentacles, yeah, they can still sting even after the jellyfish is gone. No chill at all. Out of all the types of box jellyfish, the sea wasp is hands down the deadliest. It's been blamed for most of the fatal stings reported, and it's basically the final boss of jellyfish. Number 8, sea snakes. Yeah, they slither underwater, and they're way more dangerous than you'd think. These ocean snakes are cousins to land snakes like cobras, but some of them, their venom is on a whole other level. We're talking way more potent than their land-dwelling relatives. Take the beaked sea snake, for example. This one's seriously deadly. Just a single drop of its venom can take out 3 people. Yup, 1 drop. That's wild. The venom attacks your muscles, causing severe damage, and can shut down your respiratory system, making it super hard or straight up impossible to breathe. Without fast treatment, it can be fatal real quick. The good news? These snakes usually hang out in deeper waters far away from where most people swim or dive, so bites are pretty rare. But still, knowing they're out there is kind of freaky. So yeah, sea snakes may not get all the attention, but they're definitely in the top tier of ocean threats. Swim smart, folks. Number 9, sharks, the ultimate ocean legends. Thanks to movies like Jaws, they've earned a killer rep, and honestly, it's not entirely wrong. The great white shark, that's the big boss of the sea. These beasts can grow up to 25 feet long and weigh a massive 3 tons. And it's not just their size that's scary, it's how they hunt. Great whites are all about stealth mode. They cruise below their target, then boom, launch upward at speeds reaching 35 miles per hour. Mouth wide open, razor-sharp teeth on full display. It's a whole ambush vibe. A lot of times, sharks go after surfers because they mistake them for seals. Totally not on purpose. And while those attacks are super intense, most aren't actually fatal. A lot of folks survive and live to tell the wildest stories ever. So yeah, sharks are fierce, fast, and freaky, but they're not the mindless killers people make them out to be. Still, if you're out there surfing or swimming, stay alert. The ocean's always got surprises.